8618. A radar altimeter determines altitude by A. Transmitting a signal and receiving back a reflected signal. B. Receiving signals transmitted from ground radar stations. C. Means of transponder interrogation. The correct answer is A. A radar altimeter determines altitude by transmitting a radio frequency signal towards the ground and measuring the time it takes for the signal to bounce back, reflect, off the ground or other objects below the aircraft. By analyzing the time delay of the reflected signal, the radar altimeter can calculate the altitude above the ground. 8619. A radar altimeter indicates A. Flight level, pressure, altitude. B. Altitude above sea level. C. Altitude above ground level. The correct answer is C. A radar altimeter is specifically designed to measure the altitude of an aircraft above the ground or any objects below it. It provides an indication of the vertical distance between the aircraft and the ground directly beneath it. This information is essential for safe landing approaches, especially in low visibility conditions or during operations near the ground. 8620. Resistance-type temperature indicators using Wheatstone bridge or ratiometer circuits may be used to indicate the temperatures of which of the following? A. Free air, carburetor air, oil temperature, and cylinder head temperature. B. Free air, carburetor air, coolant, engine, and oil temperature. C. Exhaust gas temperature and cylinder head temperature. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Free air, carburetor air, coolant, engine, and oil temperature. Resistance-type temperature indicators using Wheatstone bridge or ratiometer circuits can be used to measure and indicate temperatures such as free air temperature, ambient air temperature, carburetor air temperature, coolant temperature, engine coolant temperature, and oil temperature. These indicators rely on the change in electrical resistance of temperature-sensitive elements, such as thermistors or resistance temperature detectors, RTDs, to measure and display the corresponding temperatures. 8621. When flags such as NAV, HDG, or GS are displayed on an HSI, the indication is A. That function is inoperative. B. That function is operating. C. To call attention to deviation from the desired setting, flight path, heading, etc. The correct answer is A. Warning flags are integrated into the circuits of the navigation, NAV, gyro, HDG, and glide slope, GS, systems. 8622. Instrument panel shock mounts absorb. A. High-energy impact shocks caused by hard landings. B. Low-frequency, high-amplitude shocks. C. High G-shock loads imposed by turbulent air. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Low-frequency, high-amplitude shocks. Instrument panel shock mounts are designed to absorb low-frequency, high-amplitude shocks. These shocks can be caused by various factors, such as aircraft vibrations, engine operations, or external disturbances. The shock mounts help to isolate the instrument panel from these vibrations and shocks, reducing the transmission of vibrations and protecting the instruments from damage.